So, as a title of this video says, I've bought myself a biggest, most difficult scale ship model that I could possibly find. And so I went on the quest to find the most difficult scale model ship kit. And I wanted to build it myself. This ship that I bought, it's called San Ildefonso. This is the way it looks complete, and these are actually the build instructions. As you can see, it's colorful, pretty detailed, and most of the processes of how the ship should be built are well presented in this here. The company behind this model is named Occre. They mostly specialize in ship model kits, but they also have trains, trams, but mostly ships. So this is one of the bigger ones that they have, and you can buy this either at once, the big kit at once, or you can buy it in smaller pieces in 6 separate kits. So I've went the second way and decided to purchase the first package. It arrived in a simple cardboard box like this, nothing fancy, just all the parts you need and the instructions, and you can go ahead and start building it. So I've already unpacked it and did a little bit of work with the ship. I will take my camera off and show you what work I have done on the workshop itself and on this particular kit here. Yes! So, as I've mentioned before, the entire kit came in like this cardboard box here. Nothing fancy, no writings, no logos, but you find everything inside of it. So this is what I already done. I've built this structure. I've built this structure of the ship, and this is the first kit. It came with the instructions for the entire ship. You can see that it's pretty well detailed on how you can do it. So I've done this, also done this, and I've done this, and I've also done this. So I'm somewhere in this step here. This part goes this way. This is the floor of the ship. So these are the way the model ship comes in the box. You have to cut these out of the cardboard sheet, out of this wood sheet. They're laser cut, so it's very easy to remove them. There is a little bit of wood. It goes for to make the outside of the ship. These are some of the parts I've already removed. So these are now here, and pretty much you get some nails here. So this is what you get from the first package out of 6. So I've also bought this here. It's thing for storing your accessories. It's pretty cool. You have to build it yourself as well, because it comes in the box the same way that the ship kit goes. It's also made by Occre, the same company which makes the ships. This part removes. You can put your ship here. It will probably be used in the later stages once I have the outside done, the outside of the ship. This here comes with these lovely drawers. You can put small things into it, these nails here. Thank you for watching. This was a quick little tour around my workshop corner. Stay tuned for the next video on how I'm going to build this ship. It will be interesting. Bye.